Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aquarius, we're going straight into your reading. We're doing your 5-card general future spread, Aquarius. Let's go. Let's see what your main card is. Your main card is the Two of Pentacles. So I'm getting gambling, trading, or you're waiting on your ships to come in. I'm getting you've already made an investment, you're waiting on your investments to basically roll over or make money for you. So your main card is the Two of Pentacles, okay. It could also be the Switch. What is your love? Your love is the Ace of Swords. So I'm getting your love is, I'm getting it's not emotional, I'm getting you're just being acquainted with this person who you are going to fall in love with in the future. It is a air sign, Libra, Aries, Libra, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, okay? So I'm getting you're going to meet this person, or the person probably going to confess them feelings towards you. I'm getting you're going to be like, you have a crush on me? Really? Okay? Getting someone wants to take a risk and tell you that I'm like you. Career and money is a King of Cups. Yeah, it's a King of Cups. I'm getting this man who you work around. Him gonna tell you how him feel about you. No, I feel like he's taking a gamble. Maybe somebody a gamble to see if them can get you back. This could be the bet or the gamble. But I'm getting somebody, money and finances already been taken care of. I'm getting them want to talk to you. What's your health? The Two of Swords. They want to talk to you about them health. So we're getting something about this person who you're going to be in love with in the future, or you are already in love with. Something going on with them health. Somebody might need a blood transfusion. So somebody might have AIDS. I'm getting whatever them have there now and a lot of medications for it. Somebody want to tell you something about them health. Them health are deteriorate. They might not even have a lot of time. It could be prostate cancer. Are me getting the reason why somebody will push you away and them never give you no closure, or because of them health? Somebody was diagnosed with something and me getting them never want you around them watching them die, so they pushed you away. They probably could have even chased you away. Me getting somebody very, very sick. Me getting something is bloodborne. What's your whole life? The page again. Swords, swords, swords. Yeah, me getting you cannot be around somebody. Something might be very contagious. Or me getting somebody never know how you would take it after them tell you them have this sickness. I don't know if it's something bloodborne. If it's not bloodborne, me getting somebody vision was fading. Somebody couldn't say. I don't know if them think them couldn't trust you either, or by the time them for tell you say, listen, me need to tell you something. You have to be my second pair of eyes. Me getting they had already fucked up the relationship. Me getting somebody eyes are go away. Your eye, you're gonna lose your vision. Or me getting that's why you push somebody away. You couldn't say. You lose your vision. So instead of making someone stay around and be your eyes, I guess you never want to be a burden to them. You push them away. Well, you're still seeing them, or you watch them online, so you don't know if I only one eye you can see in or no. We have jealous, and I have to take these secrets to the grave. We have Libra. Yeah, something about one eye you eye them, or you be getting you go blind. The World card. FBI, and we got aliens. Yeah, me getting something about your eye, your vision are gonna go away. I get something about your vision. Like you're blind. Or you see, if you don't blind physically, me getting you blind spiritually blind. I'm getting something in your blood. Or me getting something about if you go blind, you need to detox the blood. The blood have to get detox. You go blind, your blood need to filter properly. That's why you go blind. Me getting something about your blood. Your blood need to filter. You need to drink some bitters, or you need to drink something to filter your blood. You're going blind because of your liver. Your liver is why you go blind. Your liver needs to cleanse. If you cleanse the liver properly, if you detox the liver, your vision will come back. Me getting is your liver. You need to cleanse your liver before it's too late. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.